Hey everybody, Mrs. Marshall here. I have found that on the Google Suite, there is now video recording. So that's what I'm working with right now is the new Google Suite video recording. And I'm here to do an unboxing video of my new order that I just got from, from Follett. So let's see what I got. I did take out the packing slip and that's all I've taken out so far. So let's look at it. All right, we don't need that. Okay. New Nat Geo Sharks book, 100 fun facts about fantastic fish. That looks pretty cool. So this is a leveled reader, level 3. Did you hear that crack? Oh, I missed it. I did it the first time. So we've got some cool facts, remarkable sharks. I can't wait to read this. I wonder who is going to check this book out first. This looks really fun. Oh my gosh, I did not know about this shark. Boys and girls, there are some crazy things about sharks there. Have you ever seen sharks like that? Probably not, because it says they're prehistoric sharks. I wonder what else this book has in it. You will have to check it out to figure out what's in it. Oh my gosh, you're not gonna believe this. For all you soccer fans out there, oh my gosh, my next book you're gonna love so much. Messi! Oh my gosh! Holy cow. Okay, so we got a lot about Messi on the table of contents. Remember, the table of contents tells you what the book's going to be about, gives you those titles. Oh my goodness, it's got him playing for Barcelona there. It's got him the road to fame. Holy moly. Aw, isn't that cute? It's got his little family there. Oh, can you see it? There you go, his little family. How fun. You'll have to check out the book to find out more about Lionel Messi, who plays for Argentina and Barcelona. Oh, boys and girls, you're going to love this one. It is a dog book. I know that y'all love dog books. It's about golden doodles. The new hit breed, golden doodles. Oh my goodness. I got this because I know that these dogs are dogs that people have now. I know Mrs. Posh has one. Oh, let's see if we can hear the crack. Ready? Oh, I didn't hear it. I wonder if you heard it. Oh, that's so cute. A bunch of little golden doodles. Again, we have table of contents. Oh, I'm noticing all these books so far are nonfiction about real things. Oh, look at that precious little face. What is a golden doodle? And some fun facts down there. Do you see those fun facts? Oh, this book looks so good. Oh, look how precious. Is a golden doodle the right dog for you? You'll have to read to find out. And then the last book, oh my goodness, it is also nonfiction, and it's a biography about an Oklahoman. And this is about the first woman Cherokee chief, Wilma Mankiller. And it is a step 3 reader as well. Man, Wilma Mankiller, she's just like a really neat lady. To be the first chief of the Cherokee Nation, that's pretty incredible. Oh, these pages are written, or it's a nonfiction story, but the illustrations are really pretty and kind of like a picture book. And there's photographs in there and drawn photographs. So those aren't real photographs, but drawn. Oh, those look so nice. I can't wait to read about Wilma Mankiller and about her road to becoming the first woman chief. So if you're interested in any of these books, they will be in the Wilson Library, and I hope you enjoy them. I know I'm going to go home and read some of these tonight. I'm going to do another unboxing the next time I get some books, and I ordered some really great ones. I should be getting some more in soon. So talk to you later, boys and girls.